Hi guys, how are you doing today? We're going to be doing another unboxing, of course. I have my May IPSY bag. Alright, we're going to go ahead and see what this is. I love the preview. I saw the bag color already and I thought that was really cute. It's like a ombre. And, hold on a second. So it's a Farrah brush, I think. Hold on, let me take it out of the wrapper. This is blender brush. Oh, and it's really soft. I love the color of it. It says Farrah. You can't see it. It's too shiny. Sorry guys, I tried. I actually really like this. It's like more thick than the other brushes I got. Alright. Get that glow. A new season is finally on the horizon. Let the excitement in the air spark new ideas like sunset lids or megawatt highlighter. And bask in every light you find. Ready to get glowing? May 2022. 22, wow. Sorry guys, May 2020. And then it just has like, I think like tips, because it's not really what's in it, it's like tips. We have...
What's this, Mom?
Here, baby, you can play with this. Go take that and play with it. Watch your show, okay, because I'm doing my video. It's called Sundays. It's nail polish. Oh, this is like a really pretty pink. Definitely good for summer.
Mom, what happened to me?
I really like this. This is number 8. Be careful, baby. It was being crazy, guys, but whatever. I really like this. I'm probably going to use it tonight or tomorrow because I need to do my nails really bad. If you see them, they're really bad. Hey, baby, stop jumping around, please. You're not going to get no candy if you stop. Don't stop. Stop jumping and watch the movie. Sorry, you guys. Mom life.
That's
Aloe gel sleeping mask. I don't really know who it's from. It's like Juju or something. I actually really like aloe vera masks, so I'm really excited for this. Oh, and this is so tiny. It's so cute. Look how tiny that is. Sorry, I'm trying to get to focus. There we go. Do you see how bad my nails are? It says Tarte. It's from Tarte. Or Tarte. I still don't know how to say it. It's strawberry jelly. It's a lip mask. Oh my god. I finally used my first lip mask. It wasn't like this. It was a little different. It was like it went around my lips. And I got it in my last box, the Babe box. And actually really liked it. It was really good. It felt tingly and it was like moisturizing and plumping, and I like that. So I'm definitely excited to try this one. And I like that this one is actually just a cream. Because the other one I had was like a big like lip thing. I don't know. It looked wild, but it did work pretty well, so. I also tried the masks I got from my BoxyCharm, and I really, really like those. Me and my best friend did them, and my face turned out like really soft, really smooth, and it did not break out like the other one did. My first IPSY bag, I got a mask in and I used it and it made me break out really bad. Let's see, get it to focus. There we go. This is a little dark, but let's see how it looks. This is eyeshadow, by the way. Oh wow, it's very pigmented though. And it's more of a peachy color. It's not as bad as it looks like on the thing. Alright, I would actually use that. And that was actually the end of the IPSY bag. I'm so used to getting like the boxes now that when I get these they're so much smaller. But I'm not mad at this one at all, definitely for the price. Like IPSY is one thing I've actually never thought about canceling. Even though sometimes it does give me some products that are iffy, but it's not that bad. Alright, stop screaming, okay? Be nice, baby. Alright, sorry about that, guys. But that was the end of our IPSY bag. I really like the color of this May bag. Overall, I like this whole bag. There was nothing I wouldn't use. I'm really waiting for my snack crate. I'm like really excited. It's my very first food unboxing, I guess, other than my Home Chef. But if you guys have any other ideas or any or if you have any subscription boxes that you recommend, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. And if you want, tweet me at JamieDeanna15. And you guys have a good day. I say so many times. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm exhausted. I'm ready to go to sleep. So on that note, have a good night and